We are here at Carpet of Joy, a work which I have created with 1,50,000 bottles. The whole objective of this Carpet of Joy is to make Goa litter free. We are going to attract the attention of the public through this work of art because I believe that art has the power to bring about some kind of revolution. And today the revolution we are trying to bring about is litter free Goa, a very simple revolution.
We just go to people, we'll tell them, we take their meetings, and along with the meetings we keep our whatever the dustbins, our program ready for them. So here we explain it to them, and here we start with the program very next day. Subodh Kirkar here is known artist of Goa. I've seen his installations, artistic installations in Miramar for the film festivals. But this is something he's giving it back to the society. He's doing a wonderful job here. From the road it looks like flowers, but these are actually plastic bottles which are being picked up from the roadside